Shelton's currently sitting at the bus station with our 2 bags. I am making the 20-minute walk up to the city to find some fruit or a smoothie or something, just because one, we've been sitting literally all day and we're gonna be on a 2-hour bus ride to Cuenca, and I want some fruit because both of us are kind of feeling a little bit sick, just like both of our throats hurt. So I feel like some fruit would do us some good. So, exploring on my own. Oh, and I have to be back in like 40-ish minutes to catch the bus and not miss it. That would be terrible. 5 minutes away. Okay, got the goods, got the smoothie. Now I'm just rushing back to the bus station. My GPS isn't working, so I'm hoping I can remember where to go. I don't know what I'm doing. I remember these stairs and I remember that castle thing. So I think we're on the right path. A 40-minute walk just goes by so quickly. Who would have thought? I made it with my smoothie. It's right there. And I still have like 20 minutes to spare. Ah, good job. Made it.
Huh.
Look how orange it is. You'd be proud of me. I was gonna get 2 smoothies because I know both of us feel sick. Oh no, it's not even bad. I thought 2 smoothies because I know both of us are sick. But I knew we're on a budget, so I got 1 smoothie.
Yeah.
With no greens in it at all.
Okay.
It has oranges, carrots, mangoes, so you can drink that. But then I got this. Yeah, it was cheaper. It was like $2. And it's all the greens. So vitamins, and then fiber.
Good.
Okay. Okay, so now that I'm editing this video, I can see that it's just all over the place. I apologize for that. Basically, we left from Toledo, got on the bus, and went to Cuenca, which was about an hour and a half away. We're staying with a really close friend of Shelton's from 5 years ago on his mission. They are just so sweet. We're so grateful for them. And he was feeding us, he bought us a huge ham leg, and he gave us some bread with it. And even though that was super good, we were so sick, and we really wanted some soup. So after we ate that, we went down the street and got shark fin soup. Doesn't have sharks in it. It's just a mushroom that looks like a shark fin, and it honestly is so good. Another day, another juice. Trying to get better.
We're gonna go up that way from down this way. We're gonna up this way. She's coming down, taking pictures. It's easy to go up the pictures.
Okay. I'm following you. Restaurant inside a big rock. It's probably super pretty. It's probably super pretty at night. Overlooking the water. We're gonna be walking across across this bridge to get to up there. It's a lot sturdier than it looks. We made it to Cuenca, everybody. Yesterday we took a 2-hour bus from Toledo to Cuenca and got here late at night. We walked around a little bit, but today is the day to explore. Cuenca is awesome. Thank goodness Shelton's with me because he lived here and I would have been so confused on how to get into anywhere because it's all different alleyways and all of that. But Cuenca is famous for the hanging houses. And currently we're on the St. Paul's Bridge and we're just gonna walk around and explore, see some hidden caves maybe. And yeah, it's gonna be a good day. It's starting to rain a little bit. It's very windy out, but that's not gonna stop us. So let's go. So I guess when you have hanging houses, you have to fix it up from time to time, which I think that's what they're currently doing as of right now. I think we're supposed to be in this area. It's a little bit blocked off, so we're gonna see how far we can go. And yeah, we'll see. It's much chillier up here than down there.
To walk all the way up. Away.
Huh? Once you get up the mountain, it's so cute up here. All the colorful buildings, and restaurants, cathedral, look how pretty. We currently are inside the church to get out from the rain. It's very pretty. It's very pretty. Okay, don't judge us. It's pouring rain, and there's really nothing to do outside when it's pouring rain here because it's all stone and it's so slippery. So we got down off the mountain.
Almost fell a lot.
I slipped a few times going down, and now we're in the mall. I mean, it's dry, and it's warm, and yeah. Sometimes you just gotta go with the flow. Look at this. This is inside a mall. They take the nativity scene to the next level. Look at baby Jesus. Right? You can sit on the camels.
He looks at least 5 months, 6 months.
Yeah, he doesn't look like a newborn. That's for sure. My favorite thing to do, or one of my favorite things to do while traveling, is to go to the grocery store. I could spend like an hour in here just browsing around. Like, so many different panettones. Shelton swears the chocolate one's really good. So we're gonna try that for Christmas. Oh, don't I look cute? Shelton's getting money out of the bank. I'm currently supposed to be watching people so they don't come and take our money. And then we're off back to the apartment to just chill, edit the video.
Until 6.
And then we're gonna go see another family to have dinner with. Those are the apartments Shelton lived in when he was staying here. Very cute. Back at the apartment. Made a little puppy friend at the family's house we're staying at in Cuenca. He's 4 months old. Look, he looks much bigger in camera, but he is so cute. I don't know how to pronounce his name. To me, it sounded like Sudoku, but I know that's not right. What are you doing? He's biting his own ear. No, no. No, no biting. No, no, no. That's not good. He's so cute, though. Come here. Hi, baby. That's your tail. What?